To play I'm Yours by Jason Mraz, you need 4 chords: G, E minor, D, and C. Let's take a look how to play each of them. This is how you play the G chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Strum all strings. This is how you play the E minor chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Strum all strings. This is how you play the D chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Strum all strings except the 6th and 5th strings. This is how you play the C chord on guitar. Place your index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Strum all strings except the 6th string. Let's jump into the song. That I melted, I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. No more, it cannot wait. I'm yours too. Open up your heart and see like me. Open up your plans and damn you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God for saying right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more. Short, this is our fate. I'm yours. Don't you want to come? There's no job closer, dear. And now we made here. Whoa, I've been spinning way too long, taking my time in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fell off the glass, and so I drew in your face and laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just to kill with reasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. This is our fate. I'm yours. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what song you want me to do next.